Breaking news: Myanmar earthquake death. Toll tops 3,000, hundreds still missing. A devastating 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck Myanmar last Friday, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. As of today, the death toll has surpassed 3,000, with hundreds still missing. The United Nations has warned that the window to find survivors is rapidly closing as rescuers continue to search through the rubble. The hardest-hit areas include Mandalay and Naypyitaw, where buildings, including schools and religious sites, have collapsed. Hospitals are overwhelmed with over 4,500 injured people, while aid workers struggle to provide food, water, and medical care amid ongoing